Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to find the lowest number in a list of values. So I'm going to show you how to make this with formulas, and we'll give you the final file with all the formulas. This way you can follow with me and reuse it later. The link will be right below the video for you to download. So how to do this? We want to find the lowest number in this list. For that, basically it's the minimum. So we want to find here it's the number 1. So to compute the minimum, I'm gonna use the function min for minimum, and it's gonna be I can take the minimum of the whole column of a whole range or a series of range. It doesn't matter. And here it's gonna compute the minimum is 1. So that's very convenient. Now let's say I don't want to find the lowest number, but I want to know the second lowest number. So actually here the value I'm trying to find is 3. How can I compute that? I can use another function which is called small in Excel. And same thing, I'm gonna take a list of values, and I'm gonna take the number of the value I want to find. So here, if I want the one smallest value, which is still the minimum, I'm going to take that. What's the first smallest value in the list? It's going to tell me 1 as well, but I can try to find this. If I can select correctly, I can try to find the second lowest value, and here it's going to give me 3, and the third should be 5, and so on. So I can list what did I do? I have to put 3. Yeah. So third smallest value is 5. That's correct. So that allows me to find the smallest value in order and to make some kind of a sort. So that's very convenient in Excel. The function min for minimum and small for smallest value when you specify a number. I will let you download the file right below the video as usual. This way you can reuse it and play with it. And I will see you tomorrow for a new Excel tip. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you will be notified when I publish the tip. See you tomorrow. Ciao.